People fly all over the world to go and visit castles, and it's pretty cool. We have one right here in our backyard that we've never been to before. So when Buckeye Freedom Jeep Club was doing a Jeep show there, we had to go and check it out. This video is going to be a little bit more castle than it is Jeep, but stick around till the end and you'll see the Jeeps. Hey, Lehman Upfit here, and we are at Glamorgan Castle in Alliance, Ohio, doing this Jeep show here. So we came out for the Jeep show, brought this Jeep and the mall crawler, Sarah's mall crawler Jeep, and we're going to go take a tour of the castle. So we're going to check it out, see what we find. Hopefully it is cool. This 28,000 square foot mansion sits on 50 acres and has 40 rooms, 9 bathrooms, a ballroom, a bowling alley, an indoor pool, and an elevator. Pretty high tech for being commissioned to be built in 1905. Reminds me of my time in prison.
These stairs are so cool.
When I see this chandelier, I can't help but to think, I wanna swing from the chandelier. There's a good chance. What's that say, duck? Duck. Walk in there. And this is the third floor. It has the servant quarters and an area that we were told to be a ballroom, but it looks like an area that we're not supposed to be. I'm afraid they're gonna throw us in the dungeon. This way to the dungeon. Dude. It wasn't me, man. I was framed. In the basement, there's what looks to be a tavern, and also, that's where the indoor pool was. Man, swimming pool, eh? But it's closed. That wraps up the tour of the dungeon. And now, as promised, the Jeeps! Dude, you gotta take a picture of a guy while he's trying to eat his food? I'm a bit of a sucker for a J10, any of the J series stuff. This J10 is super cool. There's something about orange on a Jeep that just gets my attention. I'm so much thinking about doing orange on my LJ project. You really don't realize how big Jeeps have gotten over the years until you walk around a CJ. JKs and JLs are so much bigger body-wise. Oh boy, it looks like I picked up some more ducks. And here's another 392 we can check out. It's on 38-inch tires with KMC bead locks, and what looks to be a hard rock off-road cage setup. It's on Falcon 3.3s. Pretty nice looking Jeep. I see this one locally at a lot of different shows. Hey, thanks for watching. We got to check out the Castle. It was super cool. Some pretty sweet Jeeps here. So stay tuned for some more Canada content and quite a bit of projects. That was it. Have a good one.